Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna share some of my favorite LUTs that's going to take your video footage to next level. No need to color grade, just apply these LUTs and you can create some stunning cinematic videos. Also, did I mention that all these LUTs I will be giving you guys will be free of cost? Yes, you heard it right. So let's go. What's up everyone, I welcome you all to my channel, it's Nitin Arora. So I have been getting so many comments on my channel and Instagram inbox about what's the color tone that I use in my wedding videos, vlogs, travel, YouTube videos or aerial footage. So guys, since I have just learned FCP as you all know and I don't have any experience in color grading, so I use LUTs to give my videos a cinematic look. And it has also become an essential tool for all the filmmakers these days. Also, I'm gonna share a bunch of LUTs which you guys can download and use in your projects, whether it's commercial or personal. So guys, these LUTs can be used with different softwares like FCP, Adobe Premiere, DaVinci Resolve and many more. And you can even load a LUT into your Photoshop to apply it to a still image so that when you are delivering the stills and video to any of your client, your editing should look similar and define your style too. So let me show you how you can download and install these LUTs into your system before we move ahead. So there is a Dropbox link right in the description below that has a password. And you would need that 6-digit password to download these free LUTs. And I have divided these 6-digit password into 3 parts and this is where it's gonna appear in the title below. So while you watch the entire video carefully, note down all the digits and at the end of the video, all you need to do is to subscribe to my channel and apply this 6-digit password and download the link. So before I show you which LUTs you're going to get for free of cost, let me tell you what is a LUT. A LUT, or what we call lookup table, holds a set of numbers that are looked by the software and hardware you are using to deliberately change the colors of an image. LUTs can be technical, creative or camera specific. For example, Canon has produced LUTs for its Cinema EOS cameras that convert Canon log footage to Rec 709 or Cineon. Some LUTs change saturation, some change contrast, whereas some can change the whole look and feel of the footage. Now, why should we use LUTs? Like we all use customized presets in Lightroom to give different look and tones to our still images, same way LUTs can be directly applied to your footage to make quick overall corrections, make certain colors pop and add cinematic style to your footage. This makes the color grading process faster and specific LUTs can transform footage to look like your favorite films. LUTs can make a log or a flat footage come to life by adding contrast and different styles. One important thing guys that I always suggest is to record your footage in log whenever and wherever you can to get the best colors, contrast, dynamic range, and even if you are shooting on standard mode, then also just tone down your colors, contrast, saturation and sharpness to get better controls over post-production. And don't forget that every LUT is meant for a certain tone which if applied wrong can ruin your footage or your end result. For example, one LUT might look amazing with cityscapes but might not go well with wedding footage. That's it guys, now it's time that I should show you guys which are the LUTs that you're going to get for free of cost. I'm going to use the same clip so that it's easy for you guys to understand the different tones altogether and the look it creates. Let's check the look 1. Let's see the look 2. Let's see the look 3. Let's check out look 4. Let's check out the final one, look 5. Now the next question is how to apply LUTs to your footage. As mentioned before, most LUTs are meant to be applied to log footage since you will have the most dynamic range and latitude when you are color grading your videos. So once you download our free LUT pack, from the description below, here is how to apply LUTs using Final Cut Pro in 5 simple steps. The first step is to select your clip. Open Final Cut Pro, select your clip or adjustment layer in the timeline you want to add the LUTs to. The second step is to add custom LUT from the effects browser. Navigate to your effects browser and select the color category in the left tab. Either double click on the custom LUT effect or drag it onto your clip or adjustment layer. The next step is to open the video inspector window. Now you have to navigate to your video inspector window. Click the custom LUT drop down section and select choose custom LUT. The next step is to choose the LUTs. Navigate to the LUT file you want to import and select the .cube file, which is the LUT, or select the folder that hosts multiple LUTs you want to import and click open. Now in your case, these will be 5 LUTs which you have downloaded from the link. So you can import all these 5 LUTs in one go if you have it in one folder. Now the next step is adjust the intensity of the LUT. The LUT you imported will now be loaded and you should see the look applied to your footage. Now you can also change the intensity of the LUT by adjusting the mix slider according to your taste. Simply slide left to reduce the intensity and fade the effect, and vice versa. So now you know what LUTs are and how to apply them to your footage. It's time that you should go and enjoy and bring life to your dull footages. Also, I would request all to go like, share and subscribe to my channel. It's Nitin Arora if you haven't done yet. But why haven't you done yet? Go and subscribe right now. And like this one, I will be coming up with lot many freebies for you all in my upcoming videos. Once you download and use these LUTs, tag me with my hashtag It's Nitin Arora and do let me know which one is your favorite in my comment section below. See you all. What are you guys waiting for? Go guys, create some amazing content and do tag me. I'm done with the video. Pack up, guys.